everyone, we're going to find the area of the shaded region for the given polar graph, and it is r equals 4 plus 3 sine of theta. So this is a Limacon without the inner loop, and this is our area formula. And if you've been practicing graphing, you know we usually assign our theta values for sine from negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2. So that's how we set up our integral, because that's what we're going by. Negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2 up here. So let's use our formula here and write this as the area equals the integral negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2. We're going to have 1/2, and we take our r and square it. d theta. All right, this is going to equal the integral from negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2 of, and we're going to expand this. I'm going to pull the 1/2 out, get it out of the way. So it's going to be 16 plus 24 sine of theta plus 9 sine squared of theta d theta. All right. Next, we're going to write this out as 1/2 integral of negative pi divided by 2 to pi divided by 2, and I'm going to take this out. This is because this is an odd function, and it doesn't affect our graph. If you remember, an odd function is symmetric about the origin, and also if you substitute in negative theta for 24 sine of negative theta, that's going to give you negative 24 sine of theta. So we can take it out and write this as 16 plus 9 sine squared of theta d theta. Also, if you put both of these in your calculator and graph them, you'll get the same graph. So taking this out does not affect the curve or the area. Now, let's go ahead and continue. What I'm going to do next is, because now we have an even function, I'm going to write this as 1/2, and we're going to go use our formulas for integration and use 1/2 times 2 and make this a 0. 2 pi divided by 2. And then I'm going to write this as 16 plus 9, and I'm going to use an identity for sine squared as 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2 theta d theta. Now we could do this because this is an even function, this part right here, which you've already probably done in integration. Now let's continue on. I'm going to simplify this part here, and then we'll integrate. So that's going to simplify to the integral from 0 to pi divided by 2. Remember that 1/2 times 2 cancels each other out, so that's gone. And now I'm adding the, I'm going to get 41 divided by 2 minus 9 divided by 2 cosine of 2 theta d theta. So basically what I did is, on the other piece we had 9 times 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. When you distribute this, you get 9/2, and I just added it to my 16. And then when you do that, you get the same common denominator. So that's going to be 9 plus 32, which gives you the 41. All right. Now, let's integrate this, and we're going to get the integral. I already got that down. All right, so now let's go ahead and integrate it. This is going to be 41 divided by 2 theta minus 9 divided by 4 sine of 2 theta. I just multiplied the 2's there. We're evaluating it from 0 to pi divided by 2. And so this is going to give me 41 divided by 2 times pi divided by 2 minus, when you substitute in pi divided by 2 here, you get sine of 0. So that's going to be or sine of pi, which is 0. Then we have minus, when you substitute in 0, you get 0 minus 0. So basically we're almost done. This just equals 41 pi divided by 4. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.